Hello, pauwi na ako. Nag-trolley ako kasi gray flag na naman kami. Ayun na yung Marriott. Ay, naka-trolley ako.
Convention Center is next.
Okay. Ito yung Convention Center. Malapit lang kami.
They couldn't stop talking about it.
Was that with skiing also?
Yes. I've never seen skiing. I never have either. I haven't seen either one. Yeah.
Convention Center.
And I tell people to join the show and they're like,
The release would be better. You can't have everything.
No, you can't. You can try.
Yeah. We'll be doing some of those hits, I hope.
Malapit lang ito. Tapos magta-transfer ako. Natutunan ko na rin mag ano. Sa 20 years ko rito, ito lang ngayon ano. Natutunan ako mag trolley. Yan, convention pa rin yan. Ito mo sa haba nito. Ilang istasyon na ng ano ng trolley. Convention pa rin. Ayan. Ito meron namang istasyon dito. Yun yung ano, yung Hilton. Paglakari mo hanggang sa amin yan 15 minutes. Itong convention center. Ayan. Okay, mga katigang. Bye bye. Malapit akong bumaba. Bye bye.